So I just checked into my Homewood Suites hotel for the night, and it's a pretty nice room for about $100 plus tax. But it is kind of interesting. The lady at the front desk said there is only about 30% occupancy, so they got 90 some rooms. She said 16 of those are long-term guests. They have some deals with local businesses and more where people can stay here a long time while they're in town for work. I wouldn't be surprised in this area that there are medical people staying in the area. But she said no breakfast, no pool, no fitness room, no evening social. They do have a grab and go bag, but they had all kinds of limitations and stuff up. Even though the meals are not happening, they have signs, no more than 10 people in the little dining area down there at any given moment and more. Now, the room is been cleaned. They did offer me disinfectant wipes. They had little Ziploc bags with them, but that's okay. I came prepared. Before I get my daughter and stuff down here, let's quickly go over this. So kind of cool, a little shopping. They will go shopping for you, which is pretty nice of the Homewood Suites. There's a few other brands like this out there, but one of the things I've liked about staying at these when I go for a long period of time is the fact that they do that. Even has a Blu-ray player, not just a DVD player. So that's a pretty nice hotel. Let's see here. I will wash my hands once this is all done. But we're going to hit all the important areas. I'll wipe that down a little bit later. Okay, there's the remote. I'll do a little bit better job of this in a minute. No room service, none of that right now today. They are pretty well limited. So I'm going to go get everybody out of the car, but overall, not a bad hotel for the price. Very friendly staff. And one of the things I found interesting was the occupancy's going back up after she said pretty much everybody canceled the reservations in March. People are starting to show up again.